We have to be able to ensure speedy justice to victims of violence, because justice delayed is justice denied. Today is 8th March, International Women's Day. And so, first and foremost, revolutionary greetings to all of us women. And we need to remember that 8th March is about all of us. It is about ordinary women, struggling women. And it is not a greeting card day where suddenly governments, corporations, corporate governments wake up and start greeting us and wishing, especially successful women or beautiful women, because it's not about that. It's about our everyday struggles to usher in a more equal world and a society where being equal is a society that moves forward and that expands freedoms for everyone. And we need to revisit the history of 8th March and remember its radical socialist origins, where the Marxist Clara Zetkin actually first proposed an international working women's day to honor the struggles of women and their struggle for equality. And 8th March, the date was chosen because of the March Revolution of 1848. So honoring and remembering its origins, we also, I think, need to celebrate our victories, honor our struggles, and also take time to reflect on some of the failures, on some of the struggles that remain for us to wage. And we need to once again dedicate ourselves and find our dreams and uphold our dreams and find the resolve to continue to struggle in solidarity to usher in a more egalitarian society. So for us in Meghalaya, let us look at what are the struggles that continue to await us as women. I think a very, very pressing issue continues, sadly, to be gender-based violence and violence against women and children. And, the fact that we have to break down patriarchal structures and understand the origins of even violence, that excuses of, alcoholism or upbringing or broken families are just excuses, and that the root cause of violence is really an unequal world and an unequal power relations. And so that is what we have to address. We also have to address the fact that we have to be able to ensure speedy justice to victims of violence, because justice delayed is justice denied. We have struggled for so many cases of rapes and molestation, sexual harassment, where for years, even if the woman found the courage to speak up, there's still that kind of stigma. So we have to, as women, as a society, ensure that we understand that the root cause of gender-based violence is unequal power relations, and that's what we have to address. And that we have to ensure better policing, but most of all, a better justice system where women actually find justice and timely justice.